Are you ready to unlock the Facebook ad secrets that will skyrocket your brand? Step into my popular marketing metrics video used in Facebook, where I will demystify popular metrics like amount spent, impressions, CTR, and much more. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's start with the first metric, which is amount spent. Now, what is this amount spent? So amount spent refers to the total cost of your Facebook ad campaign over a specific period. Okay, so this is going to be the total cost. I can write here the total cost of your Facebook ad campaign over a specific period. So if I say that it represents the actual money you have spent on running the ads. So it is the actual money spent on your Facebook ads. Okay, so amount spent is clear. Now let me just explain this with an example. So suppose if you set a budget of say $100, okay, for your $100 for your Facebook ad, okay, and at the end of the campaign you find that you have spent, and the total amount you have spent, I can write, and the total amount you have spent is $90. Say it can be 80, it can be 70, but as an example I'm just taking. So suppose if you set a budget of $100 for your Facebook ad, and at the end of the campaign you find that you have spent $90. Okay, so then the amount spent on the campaign is $90. So this is the definition of amount spent. Okay, now next is, let's come on to what are impressions. Now impressions, if I talk about, so impressions are the number of times your ad is showing to Facebook users or to your audience. Okay, so it is the number of times your ad is shown to Facebook users or your audience. Okay, now each time your ad appears on a user screen, it counts as one impression. Okay, and regardless of whether the user interacted with the ad or not, but it will be counted as one impression. Okay, now suppose let us understand this with the help of example. So if your ad, suppose if your ad is displayed 1000 times to users on Facebook, okay, so it means it has generated 1000 impressions. Later I will also tell you how to calculate this, but this is just the understanding of impressions. But later when we calculate cost per 1000 impressions, that is CPM, then there is a different calculation altogether, and I will let you know how to do that. But just for understanding, before we go on to the advanced version, advanced metrics, so it is very important to understand these concepts first. So the second is impressions. So impressions are the number of times your ad is showing to your audience. Okay, so this is like. Now the next is reach. Now reach is, what do you mean by reach? So reach represents the number of unique users. So these are not the the repeated users or something like that. It is the number of unique users who have seen your ad at least once during your ad campaign. Okay, so it represents the number of unique users who have seen your ad at least once during your ad campaign. Okay, so unlike impressions, it counts each user only once. Okay, for reach it counts users only once regardless of how many times they have seen the ad, but it will count it only as once. Okay, suppose I have seen the ad say 7 times, so my reach would be 1 only. For the advertiser, my reach would be counted as 1 only. Okay, so unlike impressions, it counts each user only once regardless of how many times they have seen the ad. So if your ad reaches say 500 different users during the campaign, the reach would be 500. Okay, so it's 500 different users, 500 different unique users. Okay, Next we have results. Now as you can understand from this word that results are the specific actions you want users to take as a result of your ad. Okay, now these actions can vary based on your campaign objective. It can be clicks on your website, that can be an action. Okay, it can be an app install, that can be an action. It can be a lead form submission, that can be an action. It can be a video view. So these kind of specific actions you want users to take as a result of your ad. Okay, now suppose if your campaign objective is to get people to sign up for a webinar. Okay, the result would be the number of users who successfully submitted their information through the webinar sign up form. So here we are asking people to fill the lead form submission, and that is the result we want at the end of our ad. Okay, so results are the specific actions. I can write here. So results are the specific actions you want users to take as a result of your ad. Okay, next we have cost per result. Okay, cost per result, as you can understand, so cost per result is the average amount. So what is the average amount you spend to achieve a specific result? Okay, so that a specific result which you want from your campaign can be a click, it can be a conversion, that depends on the campaign objective. So cost per result is the average amount. What is the average amount you spend to achieve a specific result? Okay, now suppose if your ad campaign spends, you are running an ad and your ad campaign spends $200. Okay, now you are spending $200, and by spending this you are generating say 50 signups, 50 webinar signups. Okay, so the cost per result will be $200, that is 200 divided by, okay, which is equal to $4 per sign up. Okay, so this is $4 per, sorry, the space is not complete, so $4 per sign up. Okay, so I would repeat this, that cost per result is the average amount you spend to achieve a specific result. So that can be a click or a conversion, that depends again on the kind of campaign objective you are having. Suppose your ad campaign spends $200, so this is the total amount of your campaign, and you are generating 50 webinar signups. So you are running an ad for say a webinar invitations, and you want people to fill up their details. So there are 50 webinar signups which you receive. So the cost per result means the cost of acquiring every single lead would be $200 divided by 50, which is $4 per sign up. Okay, next we have delivery. So delivery is how your ads are being shown to your target audience. Okay, how your ads are being shown to your target audience. Okay, and how Facebook, okay, how Facebook is optimizing, okay, how Facebook is optimizing ad delivery to maximize results, okay, based on your campaign objective. Okay, so first is delivery is like how your ads are being shown to your target audience, and the second point is how FB is optimizing your ad delivery to maximize results based on your campaign objective. Okay, so let me just explain this with the help of an example. Suppose if your campaign objective is to maximize link clicks, okay, maximize link clicks, so Facebook will optimize the delivery to show your ads to people who are more likely to click on the links within the ad. Okay, because you want to, what is your campaign objective? Your campaign objective is to maximize the link clicks. You want more and more clicks on the links which you have given in your ad. So accordingly, on the basis of the campaign objective you have set, Facebook will optimize the delivery to show your ads to people who are more likely to click on the links within the ad. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Delivery part is clear now. Okay, next we have the frequency. Now what is frequency? As you can understand from the word itself, so frequency measures how often on average a unique user sees your ad during the campaign. Okay, on average a unique user sees your ad during the campaign. Okay, it helps to gauge ad fatigue and potential ad relevance issue. Okay, so there can be the chance, sometimes there can be the chances of ad fatigueness, because when we show the same ad to the same person repeatedly, I mean, if I am, you can say that if I am a user or I am your audience and you are showing me, your ad is being shown to me at least 10 times a day. So obviously it will be ad fatigue, and you are showing me the same creative every time. So obviously there can be the ad fatigue issues, there can be potential ad relevance issues also, because that is not convincing me, because you are showing the same ad to me again and again. So that can actually irritate me. Okay, so frequency measures how often on average a unique user sees your ad during the campaign. Okay, let us understand this with example. So suppose if your ad reaches 1000 users, okay, and accumulates 2000 impressions, okay, the average frequency, what would be the average frequency? The average frequency in this case would be 2. How? 2000 divided by 1000, which is coming as 2000 divided by 1000 unique users, means your impressions divided by your reach. Okay, so unique users. Okay, so 2000 is the impressions and 1000 is the user, so 2000 divided by 1000, so that is the average frequency, means on an average your ad is being shown to the same person twice, means 2 times. Okay, so you, on an average your ad is being shown to the same person at least 2 times. Okay, next let's go to link clicks. So this is easy. So link clicks represent the number of times users click on the link within your ad. Okay, so user clicks on the links within your ads, okay, to visit your website or landing page, to visit your website or landing page. Okay, so this link is definitely going to be an external link. For example, if your ad receives 100 link clicks, okay, and it means that 100 users clicked on the link within the ad to reach your landing page. Okay, next we have CPC. CPC is cost per link. Okay, cost per link click. CPC is cost per link click and is the average amount you spend for each user who clicks on the link within your ad. Okay, so I can write it as it is the average amount you spend, amount you spend for each user, okay, who clicks on the link within your ad. Okay, so if your ad, for example, let's understand this. So if your ad spends is $50, okay, your ad spends is $50, okay, and it is generating 200 link clicks. Okay, so the CPC would be $50 divided by 200. Okay, so 200 link clicks would come in the denominator, so the total ad spend, by spending $50 you are generating 200 link clicks, so your cost per click link is 0.25 per link click. Okay, next we have CPM. So we just understood what is impressions. Now we are going to calculate, how are we going to calculate cost per 1000 impressions. So CPM is cost per 1000 impressions. Okay, so it represents the average cost you pay for 1000 ad impressions. What is the average cost you are paying? So suppose your ad campaign spends $100 and accumulates 20,000 impressions. Okay, so in this case the CPM would be, what would be CPM? It's $100 divided by 20,000, okay, multiplied by 1000, because it's cost per 1000 impressions, so we are going to multiply it by 1000. So that comes out to be $5 per 1000 impressions. Okay, so for every 1000 impressions you are paying $5. Okay, so for every 1000 impressions you are paying $5 to Facebook. And the last popular ad metric is CTR, okay, which is click-through rate. Now this is really important. Now CTR is the percentage of people clicked on your ad after seeing it. Okay, so the percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it. Okay, now how do you calculate this? So it is calculated by dividing the number of link clicks. Okay, link clicks divided by the number of impressions. Okay, so example, let's say, and we can also multiply because it's a percentage, so we will multiply this by 100. So for example, I think the space here will not be enough. So for example, if your ad receives 1000 link clicks, okay, and there are 50,000 impressions, means 50,000 people actually saw your ad and 1000 people clicked on that ad, okay, clicked on that link. Okay, so the CTR would be 1000, okay, 1000 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 100, which comes as 2%. Okay, so CTR is the percentage of people who clicked on your ad. So who clicked on your ad means, so the clicks will come on the top divided by the number of link clicks, by the number of impressions, okay, by the number of impressions, and then multiplying it by 100. So if your ad receives 1000 link clicks, so it means that the link clicks on the ad are 1000 and your ad is being shown to 50,000 people, okay, 50,000 impressions. So the CTR would be 1000 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 100, which comes out to be 2%. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you really like the content and want to learn more, you can subscribe to my channel Marketing by Amita, and in the later videos I will be sharing some more advanced metrics used in Facebook, and that's it.